While Tulsa is perhaps the most well-known Black Wall Street case, a not so well-known narrative component is that after the KKK and others destroyed the Greenwood neighborhood, and after the nation's deadliest race massacre exacted a heavy toll on the community, residents quickly rebuilt the commercial area renowned as Black Wall Street. In fact, film footage from 1925 through 1928 shows a bustling, thriving Greenwood, confirming that a few short years after the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre, Greenwood's homes and businesses came back. This period of prosperity after the attack often gets erased from Greenwood's story. In addition, Greenwood's second destruction in 1971 by way of Interstate 244 and US 75 is often untold. Highway construction dismantled the prominent community for a second time.